knots untied and scattering seeds to distract them will not work on vampires with OCD. You might not be able to understand these codes, but you must have understood that these are related to OCD. OCD is a very common mental illness, that is obsessive compulsive disorder. Hello guys, my name is Astha and you're watching News 47. Today we are going to talk about two very severe mental problems, that is OCD and post-traumatic stress disorder, that is PTSD. So let's get into this video. OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder. It's a mental illness that causes repeated unwanted thoughts or sensation or the urge to do something over and over again. Some people can have both obsession and compulsions. Some of the types and symptoms of OCD are checking, such as locks, alarms, ovens or light switches. Contamination, a fear of things that might be dirty or a compulsion to clean. Symmetry or ordering, the need to have things lined up in a certain way. Ruminations and intrusive thoughts, an obsession with a line of thoughts. Some of these thoughts might be violent or disturbing. Many people who have OCD know that their thoughts and habits do not make sense. They do not do them because they enjoy them, but because they cannot quit. And if they stop, they feel so bad that they start again. Obsessive thoughts can include worrying about yourself or might be other people getting hurt. Constant awareness of blinking, breathing or other body sensations. Suspicion that a partner is unfaithful with no reason to believe it. Compulsive habits can include doing tasks in a specific order every time or a certain good number of times. Needing to count things like steps or bottles. Fear of touching doorknobs, using public toilets or shaking hands. Although there is no cure for OCD, but you may be able to manage how your symptoms affects your life through medicine, therapy, or combination of treatments. Some of the treatment include psychotherapy, relaxation, medication, neuromodulation, or TMS. Another very severe mental illness is PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. It is a mental health condition that is triggered by a terrifying event, either experiencing it or witnessing it. Symptoms may include flashback, nightmares, severe anxiety, as well as uncontrollable thoughts about the event. PTSD symptoms may start within 1 month of the traumatic event, but sometimes symptoms may not appear until years after the event. PTSD symptoms are generally grouped in 4 types. Intrusive memories. Intrusive memory symptoms may include recurrent, unwanted, distressing memories of the event or reliving the traumatic event as if it were happening again. It can also be dreams, nightmares, or flashbacks. Number 2 is avoidance. Symptoms of avoidance may include trying to avoid thinking or talking about the traumatic event, or avoiding places, activities, or people that remind of the traumatic event. The most common events leading to development of post-traumatic stress disorder include combat exposure, childhood physical abuse, sexual violence, physical assault, being threatened with a weapon, or an accident. Many other traumatic events can also lead to PTSD, such as fire, natural disaster, mugging, robbery, plane crash, etc. Post-traumatic stress disorder can disrupt our whole life, job, relationship, health, and enjoyment of the everyday activities. Having PTSD may also increase the risk of other mental problems such as depression and anxiety, issues with drugs or alcohol use, eating disorder, or suicidal thoughts and action. After surviving a traumatic event, many people have the most common events leading to development of post-traumatic stress disorder include combat exposure, childhood physical abuse, sexual violence, physical assault, being threatened with a weapon, or an accident. Many other traumatic events can also lead to PTSD, such as fire, natural disaster, mugging, robbery, plane crash, etc. After surviving a traumatic event, many people have PTSD-like symptoms at first, such as being unable to stop thinking about what happened. Fear, anxiety, anger, depression, guilt are all common reactions to the trauma. However, the majority of the people exposed to trauma do not develop long-term PTSD. Getting timely help and support may prevent normal stress reactions from getting worse and developing into PTSD. This may mean turning to family and friends who will listen and offer comfort. It may also mean seeking out to mental health professionals for a brief course of therapy. Some people may also find it helpful to turn to their faith community. Supports from others also may help prevent you from turning to unhealthy coping methods such as misuse of alcohols and drugs. That's all for today. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share this video.